हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग, मैं से आर्यन और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मेडिसिन के समय इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ। एन 80 year old male patient complained of headache and dizziness. His ambulatory PP was recorded to be in the range of 144, 152, 82, 86 mmHg. What is the likely diagnosis? Grade 1 hypertension, white coat hypertension, secondary hypertension, and isolated systolic hypertension is the best answer because if the SBP मोर देन इक्वल टू 140 mmHg एंड DBP कितना होना चाहिए, लेस देन 90 mmHg, इज कॉल्ड द आइसोलेटेड सिस्टोलिक हाइपरटेंशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशन टू मेजर वेसल वॉल स्टिफनेस इन पेशेंट suspected to have a hypertension mediated end organ damage? Ankle brachial index, carotid angiography, pulse wave velocity, and femoral artery Doppler. The best answer here is the pulse wave velocity because the carotid femoral pulse wave velocity is the gold standard for measuring large artery stiffness due to hypertension. And in long standing hypertension can lead to structural and functional changes in arteries and targeted organs like the heart, brain, artery and kidney. This is called a hypertension mediated organ damage. Next question, a 60-year-old male patient has grade 2 hypertension. He is also known case of type 2 diabetes for 9 years. What is the desired goal for blood pressure range in this patient? The desired range goal is 120 to 130 to 70 to 79 because in a patient with 18 to 65 years, the hypertension and coexisting diabetes, the desired goal systolic blood pressure is 120 to 130 and diastolic is 70 to 79. And in patient above 65 years, the systolic blood pressure is 130 to 139 and diastolic is range remains the same. Next question, while treating a 45 years old hypertensive patient with underlying coronary artery disease, what targeted blood pressure should you titrate for as per the ESC 2080 guidelines? 140 to 150 mmHg, 110 to 120, 30 to 40. The best answer is 120 to 130. The targeted systolic blood pressure for hypertensive patient for the age group 18 to 65 years with coronary arteries is between 120 to 130. Next question, a 58-year-old male patient has been diagnosed with hypertension. On examination, there is no existing cardiovascular disease, no hypertension mediated organ damage, and the renal function is normal. He should be immediately started with pharmacological management if his blood pressure is more than is the 140 to 90 mmHg. This is the best answer because in this patient with no marker of cardiovascular disease, no hypertension mediated end organ damage, and normal renal function, immediate pharmacological treatment is recommended when the blood pressure BP is more than 140 to 90 mmHg according to the AHA and ESH in the management of hypertension. So today that's all. Thank you and keep revising.